How billionaires manage their money. That's not how you think. Billionaires don't wake up thinking about how to make more money. They wake up thinking about how not to lose it. That single difference is why most people stay the same, and a few people stay rich for generations. This video is not about motivation. It's not about lifestyle. It's about the actual system billionaires use to manage money. If you understand this system, you'll never look at money the same way again. Part 1. The mindset. Most people ask one question their entire life. How much more can I earn? Billionaires ask a completely different question. How much can I protect without slowing growth? To them, money is not a reward. Money is a responsibility. It must be controlled, structured, and defended. That's why billionaires don't go all in, chase trends, make emotional decisions, invest out of excitement. Their first rule is simple: never play with big money, because one large loss can erase decades of hard work. Part 2. Rule number 1. Protection comes first, before growth, before returns, before profits. Billionaires focus on protection. Protection means limiting downside, controlling risk, preparing for worst-case scenarios. They ask questions like, what happens if the market crashes? What happens if this business fails? If the answer puts their core wealth at risk, they don't move forward. That's why billionaires use insurance, legal structures, separate entities, asset separation. They don't assume things will go right. They prepare for when things go wrong. That's why survival comes before growth. Part 3. Rule number 2. Diversification. Billionaires never put all their money in one place. Their wealth is spread across businesses, real estate, financial markets, cash reserves. This is diversification. If one area collapses, another absorbs the shock. Billionaires design systems that cannot collapse easily. Part 4. Rule number 3. Time, the biggest weapon. Billionaires don't think for days or months. They think for decades. They don't panic during crashes. They don't rush during booms. They understand compounding, patience, and delayed rewards. Time corrects mistakes. Time multiplies average decisions into massive outcomes. That's why they hold when others sell and buy when others panic. Their weapon isn't speed, it's time. Part 5. Rule number 4. Build systems. Billionaires don't rely on intelligence or motivation. They rely on systems. Systems decide when to invest, when to stop, when to exit. They remove emotion from money. They also never work alone. They use financial advisors, accountants, legal experts. Because one smart person can fail, but a well-designed system survives. That's why money moves by logic, not feelings. Part 6. Rule number 5. Don't dig for gold. Sell the shovels. Most people copy others. They don't try to do something different. During a gold rush, most people try to find gold. Billionaires sell the shovels. Why? Because when you sell shovels, you don't need to know who finds gold. You win, as long as people keep digging. Billionaires design their money the same way. They invest in infrastructure, not hype. Systems, not predictions. Cash flow machines, not lottery bets. This is why billionaires love businesses that earn from many players, assets that benefit from long-term trends, structures that make money, even when growth slows. Most people lose money because they depend on one outcome. They bet everything on a single game. They need perfection. Think like a system builder, not a gambler. Like, share, and comment what topic you want next. Thanks for watching.